Ever dreamt of seeing your favorite actor's face on your friend's hilarious dance video? Well, today, we're making that a reality, using the incredible power of Higgsfield. Let's dive straight into the magic. The first step is to head over to the Higgsfield platform. You'll want to locate and select their video face swap feature. This is where the real fun begins. Once you're in the face swap tool, you'll need to upload the video you want to edit. Simply click the upload button and choose the video file from your computer or device. This is the canvas for our facial transformation. Now, Higgsfield will analyze your video. You'll see your video playing, and you'll be prompted to select the target face. That's the face you want to replace. Most likely, you'll see bounding boxes appear around detected faces. Click on the specific face you want to swap out. Next, you need to provide the face you want to swap in. Upload another video or image that contains the face you want to use. Ensure the lighting and angle are relatively similar to the target face for the best results. Higgsfield's advanced AI will then work its magic, analyzing both faces. You'll likely see a preview window where you can observe the initial swap taking place. This is where the facial recognition and blending algorithms come into play. For a truly seamless and realistic look, Higgsfield offers fine-tuning options. You can adjust parameters like feathering to soften the edges, color match the skin tones, or even blend expressions for a more natural transition. Play around with these settings until you're happy with the result. Once you perfected the swap, all that's left to do is export your creation. Higgsfield will process the video, and you'll be left with a hilarious, astonishing, or downright artistic face swap masterpiece, ready to share with the world.